Hey there, science lovers of all ages. Welcome back to Science IQT. Today is going to be really fun because we've got a perfectly sized science quiz with 10 fascinating questions that'll challenge your brain and maybe even make you smile.
You don't need formulas to ace this. You've used physics all your life without realizing.
You get 10 seconds to think. After that, I'll reveal the answer with a quick explanation. Keep track of your score. Let's find out just how sharp your physics sense really is. Question 1 starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When you're boiling water and you see those bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot first, what's actually happening? Your options are
The answer is D. Water vapor bubbles are forming where it's hottest.
boiling water forms bubbles at the bottom where it's hottest. The heat turns water into steam, making bubbles rise up.
Question number 2. Why does a metal spoon feel colder than a wooden spoon on the kitchen counter?
Your options are
The answer is B. Metal pulls heat away from your hand faster.
a metal spoon feels colder because it steals your hand's heat fast. Wood doesn't conduct heat well, so it feels warmer.
Now, question 3. Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder?
Your options are
Correct answer B. Light travels faster.
That's why you see the flash first. You can even estimate the storm's distance by counting seconds between lightning and thunder.
Question 4. Why does cream cool down hot coffee instead of heating it up?
Your options are
The answer is C. Cream absorbs heat energy from the coffee.
Why? Because adding cream to hot coffee cools it down. Because this cream absorbs some of the coffee's heat. The heat spreads out, making it cooler.
Question number 5. What happens to the volume of most materials when they get heated up?
Your options are
The answer is A. They expand and get larger.
most materials expand and get bigger when heated. This happens because the particles move faster and spread apart.
Question number 6. Why do we add salt to icy roads in winter?
Your options are
The answer is B. Salt lowers the freezing point of water.
salt is added to icy roads because it lowers the freezing point of water. That makes ice melt even when it's cold outside.
Question 7. Why do your ears pop when you are flying or driving up a mountain?
Your options are
The correct answer is A. The change in air pressure affects your eardrums.
your ears pop when changing altitude because the air pressure changes quickly. Your eardrums adjust to balance the pressure inside and outside.
Question 8. Why does a steak look bent when placed in a glass of water?
Your options are correct answer is B. Light
A
bends
stick
in water.
looks bent in water because light bends when it moves from air to water. This bending is called refraction.
Why do clothes cling together after being in the dryer?
Your options are the answer is B. Clothes build electric charge.
Clothes stick together from the dryer because they rub and build up static electricity. This makes them cling to each other.
Question 10. Which of these metals is not attracted to a magnet?
Your options are say aluminum.
Aluminum is not attracted to a magnet, while metals like iron, nickel, and steel are.
That's why magnets stick to some metals but not others. And there you have it, science explorers. Whether you scored like a science superstar or you're still building that excellent knowledge base, remember, every question you tackle makes you smarter than you were 10 minutes ago. Did you crack the code and hit that science superstar level? Or maybe you're sitting pretty in the excellent knowledge zone? Drop your score in the comments below and let's celebrate those brain gains together. But wait, this is just the beginning. Part 2 is coming also with 10 more mind-bending questions that will really test your scientific superpowers. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss when we drop the next challenge. Remember, at Science IQT, we believe every curious mind deserves to shine. So whether you aced it or learned something new, you're exactly where you need to be. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next quiz. Science is everywhere. Let's discover it together.